OverDrive is a collection of ebooks and audiobooks that are available to you for free with your SUNY Canton login and password. There are many fun, popular titles in OverDrive. Today, I'll show you how to access these through your internet browser. First, go to the Southworth Library Learning Commons homepage at www.canton.edu/library. Once here, click on the blue button labeled OverDrive eBooks. You'll need to log in with your SUNY Canton credentials. On the home page, you can see a variety of ebooks, audiobooks, and foreign language learning. Scrolling, you can tell which ones are ebooks and which ones are audiobooks by looking at the symbol underneath the book cover. There are a variety of ways you can search for audiobooks and ebooks. The first is the search bar here. Here you can search by title, author, or subject. Another way is by the Subjects tab. Here you can choose among your favorite genres. Please note, if you're looking for a specific type of format, you need to choose it here at the top of the page. Finally, if you're not quite sure what you're looking for, you can browse the OverDrive collections. Borrowing a title is quite easy. Click on the image of the book cover, then click Borrow. You can choose the length you'd like to borrow the book, and then how you'd like to read it. If you'd like to listen to or read the book on your smartphone, you can download the Libby app. For a link to the app, please see the space below the video. Have a great day!